Here's a 3-piece hammer set. You can get this from 1aauto.com. It's a nice entry-level hammer set. If you don't have any in your toolbox, this is a nice little way to add some hammers to your toolbox. With a small half-pound dead blow, a nice size ball peen hammer, and this smaller hammer with a brass head. These are great if you need to use them to hit studs out of the way or just break anything free in your vehicle, and you don't want to use a claw hammer. This is a lot easier to use a ball peen hammer. Sometimes when you're working on a car, that claw hammer part can get caught on things, so it's a nice option to have these, and you can buy them from 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.